Text message marketing. It's not just about sending messages, it's about building a relationship, one text at a time. Imagine receiving a text from your favorite brand. Wouldn't that feel personal? Many believe consumers dislike SMS marketing, but research disproves this. People engage more through texts than emails or social media. In fact, 96% of shoppers welcome weekly SMS updates. So, what is SMS marketing? It allows brands to send promotions, reminders, and updates directly to customers' phones. This form of communication establishes a personal connection, making customers feel valued. Why is SMS gaining traction? Over 30% of e-commerce brands now use these messages. Companies like Dagny Dover have achieved astounding results, with a 12,000% ROI after adopting SMS. There are three main types of SMS marketing: promotional, transactional, and conversational. Each serves a unique purpose. Promotional messages boost sales, transactional messages provide order updates, and conversational SMS enhances customer service. So why should you consider SMS marketing? Here are 5 compelling reasons. Firstly, SMS campaigns outperform emails in customer engagement. They capture immediate attention, driving a click rate of 5.76%. Secondly, SMS messages reach customers instantly. Texts bypass crowded inboxes, ensuring your message is seen right away. Thirdly, SMS creates a personal connection. With phone numbers being shared selectively, recipients are more likely to engage with brands they trust. Fourthly, SMS complements email strategies perfectly. A combined approach enhances customer journeys, reaching them on multiple channels. Lastly, SMS marketing is owned by you. You control your lists and communications without worrying about algorithms affecting visibility. You promote your product, service, or event at the right time and to the right person. Want to explore SMS marketing further? Just sign up for a free trial and evaluate our platform, and we will support you with marketing advice and free message credits. Start by building your subscriber list. Encourage your email subscribers to opt into SMS and consider pop-up offers on your website. In conclusion, SMS marketing is an incredible opportunity to engage with customers effectively. Start incorporating SMS marketing into your strategy today and cultivate lasting customer relationships that drive sales. Don't wait. Get started now. Text Blast will help you build relationships, one text at a time.